watched Mean Girls, and yes, I know it's been out for years, but I thought it'd be really cool to do functions, but for the different clothing that you have to wear per day. And since to make this a little short, we'll just do Wednesday and Friday. So before you even start a function, you probably should say what our function is going to do, which is it's going to take in a string of a day, and then based on that day, it will like return either wearing all pink or the fact that we need to wear jeans slash tracks pants on Friday. So to start, let's make our function. We'll do div for our function, and since we're choosing our clothes, let's just call it choose clothes. And then we need to put in our parameter, which would just be, let's just do this for weekday. So if the weekday is Wednesday, so if the weekday equals Wednesday, then instead of printing out a huge string, we're just going to return a a dictionary. And so we'll do return, and our dictionary will have shoes, the color, pants, the color, and then your shirt, and then the color. So let's start with shoes. Oops. And then since it's pink, everything's going to be pink. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to say pink, and then we're going to do pants, and then we'll also do pink. And then guess what? Shirt will also be pink. Oops, pink with two P's. Pink. Great. So what if they put in Friday? Well, if WD equals Friday, or we'll just say fry, then we will say return. So our main thing is that the pants have to be either jeans or track pants, but let's just let the other things be like certain things. So we'll say the shoes will be white, and then we'll also make the shirt white, but for right now, let's do pants equals jeans or track pants, and then we'll do the shirt will be white. White. Okay, great. So now we have the 2 days. But what if we just don't know the day? What if we put something else other than Wednesday or Friday? We'll do else. And we'll say WD is, we'll just say, because it's literally anything else but the first two, we'll just return. So we'll return, oops. We'll just be a little confused. So we'll just, we'll just do, oops. And then we can add more confusion as we go. So we'll do pants. I guess guess what? It's going to be And then craziness. Guess what? This is also going to be but we're going to add an additional M because we're cool. All right. Oops. Let me see. So maybe this should be else if, because if we do just 2 ifs, then they're both going to be C'd out, and it can kind of cause an issue, especially since we want to do 1. Why is this like this? Oh, and it's kind of helpful if we finish that. Oh wait, we did. What is this problem? Shoes. Well, for one, this needs to be down here, and that works. And then this Okay, there you go. So I had a few problems, and the problem is one, this was up here, and this needed to be down 1, And then we can put it back to where it was. Oops. And then with this comma was missing. And it was like this. So we needed to remove that. Okay, beautiful. Now everything is working, and this will be our function. Basically, we can use this function or this block of code multiple times by just doing this. So in our main, we will call our function. So first we have to make our main, oops, which is done by doing this. And then, oops, instead of this in the middle, we're supposed to do that. Okay, so in our main, what we're going to do is first, like I said, in our main, our big function, we have a parameter for the day. So we need to ask the user for the day. So let's do that. We'll say day, oops, day equals input. Anyway, we'll say, what is tomorrow? Oops. My ability to spell tomorrow is showing. Tomorrow. Which, that might be wrong. Don't look for that. So what is the day tomorrow? And then we'll say, so with a function, since we are returning stuff, so aka we run the function and then it spits out whatever clothing, we should probably put it in a variable so that when we put it into an actual string, when we are printing it out, since we're using a library, we can take certain parts rather than having to put out the whole dictionary as one string. So let's do that. So we'll say clothes equals choose clothes. And then, so what we could do, there's two ways we could do this. We could just do day, beautiful. Or say we had multiple parameters in our function, we can say this variable needs to be inputted for weekday. So if we had, say, weekday and like weekend and like, I don't know, time, then we could assign each variable. We can either put each variable in order, or we could just say, hey, that variable is for that. That variable is for that. Okay, beautiful. So now we have this, and then we can have the fun part. We can take in our true Regina George. Okay, so we'll say, I know, oops, I know you're the new girl and all, but we don't wear, but on, and then we'll say day. So it's like, what day is it? So on, say, like Wednesday, we wear, and then we say what we wear. So first let's make this an if string, and then we'll print. So since, like I said, it is a dictionary, we can print out certain things. So we'll say shoes, and then, yeah, let's do that. And then we'll say clothes, because our variable has the dictionary in it. And then we'll say shoes. Okay, and then, oops, it's seeing it as a string. So let's do this real quick. Woo! Okay, and then we'll just do the same thing, and we're just gonna do the pants, this, clothes, because that's where it is, and then we'll do pants, and then our last one is the shirt. So we'll do the same thing, but for a shirt. Oh no, isn't consistent, that's crazy. Let's put this up here. Is it important? Nope. But do I want it? Yep. Clothes. Oops. Clothes. And then we'll do shirt. So now that we have our code done, I did realize that up here, the S was wrong. So this is say choose, because we had an error down here. But now that that's all cleared up, we can save it. And now we can bring up this terminal. And then let's see if it works. So we'll do function. Is it functions? Okay. Say, what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. Oh, I know you're the new girl and all, but on Fry, that's crazy. That's not the right word. We, wear. Pretend that says wear. We wear pants which are white, jeans and tracksuits, and white shoes. So mine is the fact that I can't spell. That is how you defunction.